The Schwab Bank Investor Checking account is a solid choice for anyone tired of traditional bank fees and looking for an account that makes life easier, especially if investing is part of the plan. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no overdraft fees, and you even get unlimited ATM fee rebates worldwide, which is a huge plus for travelers or anyone who hates being nickel and dimed at random cash machines. On top of that, there are zero foreign transaction fees, so using your card abroad won't stack up surprise charges. The account is directly linked with a Schwab One brokerage account. This makes moving money between checking and investments smooth and instant. Great for those who actively trade or simply want fast access to their cash without the wait. Plus, the Schwab Bank Investor Checking account comes with a contactless debit card, a feature-packed mobile app, and a host of security options like card lock and unlock and alerts. Customer service is a big win here too. Schwab has ranked #1 in direct bank checking customer satisfaction for 7 years and boasts top marks for trustworthiness, which speaks volumes about reliability. On the flip side, you do need to open a Schwab One brokerage account to get started. And some users may not love managing both if they're just looking for a basic checking account. There's also a $100 minimum deposit to open, which is more than some banks that require no minimum. All in all, the Schwab Bank Investor Checking account is perfect for anyone who prioritizes fee-free banking, global ATM access, and seamless integration with investments. As with any financial decision, it's important to consider your own travel and banking habits. And remember that while the checking account itself is FDIC insured, investment accounts are not. So always manage your risk accordingly.